So we should have 4 cables, and then the hardware is in that
So there's
tote.
more of these?
No, there's 4 right here.
Oh.
Yeah.
This different.
Yeah. Give extras. 1 cable, 2 cables, 3 cable, 4. They give you 1. Basic brakes. Okay, that'll work. I'll take those 2 when you're done and put them up while you mess with that other one. Here's that knife if you need it.
This one's being difficult.
Ornery. Good. Like that. Could you hand me that one right down there? Sugar plum? Thank you.
Don't neck yourself.
Yeah, I know. No kidding. It's going to go to that corner over there. So, but I'm going to put this one up right now over here in this corner over to there. So I'll need another one. Gracias. There we go. Thank you.
Drop something?
Yes, right down there. Little bit for, there you go. Oh, that was a good throw. That was bad on my part. Oh, and the only one that we won't need, we'll have to remember, is the opening where the door is. Because the door is going to be in the middle of it, so it'll be that first opening.
Okay, I didn't.
Yeah.
I was going to ask you. I couldn't figure out where to line it up with.
So we
anyways.
won't know after I put the door, mount it, and we'll make the two pieces that go on there. So help me do this. You're going to get up there.
Oh, you gave me the ladder?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm climbing up there.
Yeah, and I'll tell you where you measure it at.
Okay. This is easier. Okay. It's loose. You don't have it tight.
I don't think it's just those wheels are loose. You're gonna measure to the bottom corner of that edge. Yeah, to the bottom point. No, around that point right there.
Okay.
So pull it nice and tight. Yeah, right to that point. Should be 42 feet 8 inches roughly.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right, measure that real quick.
Huh?
So it did move some. Okay. So it's pretty, so it did move some? Okay, let me go measure this one. Well, no, I mean, it doesn't have to be exact. Really, you can get that to go to 72.5 or 7.5?
Yep.
Oh, that's good right there. Yep. Well, right here as I was putting up all these rake angle pieces, I had my little helmet cam or my hat cam on, and for some reason all it was doing was taking a photograph every few seconds. That was a new GoPro 7 that I got pretty recently. So I'm going to include a few of the pictures of doing this rake angle up here. Me and Christina just used the long level to bring it perpendicular with the walls on the sides, and it really worked out pretty good. And I just attached it with some one of those flat-headed tech screws. Put that straight edge on it. Mr. Retiree.
We're not getting very far very fast. It's a beautiful day. I don't care what we do with film when we're out here.
Yeah.
Although I've been doing a lot of watching and taking union breaks, so.
Yeah. You should see my guys, man. Sheesh. Hector is almost finished with the brick. I think it's been like 3 weeks.
Wow.
And actually, I say almost finished. It could go another week. What does that piece do?
This is what the sheet panels hook to.
On the outside?
Yeah.
Okay.
All these sidewall, all these end wall
They just
R
screw
panels.
right into that?
This is where they come up and screw into. So you have to take, there's one that's going to go down the bottom to match it, right against that ledge.
Okay.
And then you put this double-sided tape up here. You cut you a piece of insulation 6 foot wide, comes in 6-foot wide deal. You cut it the length, and I come up here with it rolled up, pull it off down there, and then have her pull the double-sided tape off the bottom.
Oh, it
kind of
has-
stick it to
oh,
it
yeah,
tight,
yeah,
push
yeah.
it on there, and then I get up here and I'll pull it tight,
Uh-huh.
roll it over and peel the thing off, and then stick it up here,
Oh.
and then put the sheet panels
On
on.
top.